guys, welcome back. It's Tamara. It's Wednesday. Welcome if you are new. Welcome back if you are not. Today it's part 2 of the birthday nails. We're doing this hand today. I think they turned out amazing, but that's not with some... We had a rough start to the day, but we got it done. So if you want to see how I made these magical birthday nails, you know what to do. Grab a drink, grab a snack, get comfy, because we're gonna make some cute shit. What's up, guys? It's my birthday today. I'm here just like, I literally just got here. So I need to turn all my little lights on, set up so I can do my other hand of birthday nails, but I figured I would just chat to you while I do that because something really annoying just happened. I went out to my car. Well, first, I can like remote start my car, you know, from inside, which I always do. So I went to start it and it didn't start. So I was like, what the fuck? Did I like not, if my car's not locked, then it won't start. So I'm like, did I not lock my car? I am so paranoid about locking my car. Like I always lock my car, okay? So last night, apparently I didn't lock my car because I go out there and my car door just like opens. It's not like clicked shut. And let me rewind a little bit. When my husband left at like 7:30 this morning, he went outside and realized he never locks his work truck ever. It drives me nuts. But he went out there and realized that like the doors were open on his truck, but like nothing was really missing. It's packed full of tools, like thousands of dollars in tools. Nothing was missing. So weird. So I go out there and my car door is like slightly, it's not open, but it's not like clicked shut, you know? So I was just like able to open it. And I noticed that like my sunglasses that I had just taken out of the little like overhead thing and put in the center console, because I wanted to put different ones up there, they were sitting on my seat. So I knew somebody had been in my center console. And I'm like, they took all my money in there. I keep like a bunch of any ones, fives or tens that I ever get. I shove in there. Had like a big wad of them in there. I have no idea how much. And that's all that was missing. Like my car wasn't a mess. They literally just took my sunglasses out and sat them on the seat along with my Google, like my AdSense code that they send you, which thank God they didn't take that. I don't know what I would have done there, but they just sat it on the seat. So I know it was somebody that knows us. They literally just like quietly got in my car, took the money and left. And we have cameras. So I don't know how, like my car door is literally like in vision of the camera. And the only thing that set it off was us coming home. And then at like, my husband got home at like 9:40. And then at 10:10, something set the camera off and it shows like a light at my door. And then just kind of like, you can't really see anything, and that's it, all night long. What? I'm so annoyed. Like on my birthday of all days. Bro, if I find out who you are, I actually am pretty positive I know who it is. So yeah, that's absolutely annoying. I think everything's on now. All right, we are gonna make some nails. I have a good idea. I hope it works out. I need to hurry up because I have to make them, edit this whole thing so I can get it up tomorrow on Wednesday for you guys. So let's get going. Hi guys. How's your week going? Actually, how's your day going? I just saw you yesterday. 2 days in a row. Who am I? It's my birthday week. You know, I had originally planned, and this was me being insane, to release a video every day on my birthday week. Yeah, fucking Right? I don't know who I thought I was, but 3 in a week, good enough for me, you know? Hopefully good enough for you. So this set, you will notice it's very different than yesterday's. It's not a long stiletto. It is an XL square. Mama had a bad morning. Okay, I got here at like 10:30 this morning, like skipped the gym. I'm like, I'm gonna get right in there. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna get my video filmed. I'm gonna get it edited. Everything's gonna be great. No, it was not. So we are doing a kind of reminiscent of the like candy 3D Hello Kitty kawaii set that I did that was like, it just reminds me of that because I'm using some of the Clody jellies for this, but it's very different. So we're using 3 of those jelly Clody colors, the pink, the orange, and the red. Still obsessed with those. I love them. So we're using those, some glitter, and then we're going to do some 3D work on like 3 of the nails and then use some charms. It's honestly another pretty easy set. There was nothing like too difficult in here. So you got this if you're going to try it. Who else is a Leo? If you're a Leo, this set is for you. You should make it. Take some inspo from moi. So basically all I've done is I've laid down the jelly color and I did just 1 coat. Like those jellies are so bright, you don't need to do more than 1 coat. So I did 1 coat and then I used this, it's an Izemi glitter pot. That's what I showed you. I love that stuff. I've got that one and a silver one from them and they're just like, I think I got them from, I don't know actually. Zillabo sells Izemi. I got them a while ago. I don't know if they're still available or not, but they're really good. So I did that, and then I laid down a matte top coat on top, because you know that's what we do before we do nail art, period. 3D nail art, matte top coat first. So we matte top coated, and it kind of covers, like that glitter is very glittery, so it's rough. So I put like a pretty decent thick layer of the matte top coat and then I buffed on top of the matte top coat to like smooth everything down so we didn't have any lumpy bumpies. You know? And now I'm doing a French because I'm in my French period, okay? Laissez-moi I have no idea. I didn't take French in high school. I took Espanol, but I don't know any of that either, so I don't know. So again, I did the same little trick that we did yesterday. The T, the V, fill her in. Just try it. It makes your Frenches so much easier. I can't even so much easier. You just meet all the little lines and then fill it in. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You guys, did you watch the beginning of my video where I told you that I got robbed on my fucking birthday? Like, are you kidding? Are you kidding? Well, pretty sure it could have been like the evening before my birthday, technically. Or it could have been sometime in the middle of the night, but I'm leaning towards around 10:10 when the camera went off, and it looks like there's something maybe going on right there. But we were still awake, like in the living room. So I don't see that, especially if it's somebody that knows us. They're not going to try that when they know we're just sitting right inside, you know? But I'm positive it was somebody that knows us, because if it was some random person, if you're out prowling cars, you're not gonna like meticulously like take out the sunglasses, grab the money, and then leave. Like, you're just gonna throw shit all over, make a mess. I have a Charger. She's fast, okay? So I have a radar detector. The radar detector is like $1,000. And it had fallen off, and so it was just sitting. It has to like go up on your windshield or your dash, and the little sticky thing like fell off. It does that when it gets hot out for some reason. drives me nuts. But so it was sitting literally right there, and I assume these were guys that are doing this. Girls are way smarter than to go dig through our cars, you know. But that was sitting right there. So it's like dummies and also knew us. Just 100%. I'm just so annoyed at our cameras because we have multiple cameras, and especially that camera goes off all the time because it's like right out front and people coming by and stuff. Something did set it off at like 10:10, and there was like a light by my car door, and then that's it. Like you kind of see like some maybe like movement, but it could just be like the camera like makes little like light movements sometimes. I don't know, man. I'm not kidding. The one night I didn't lock my car. I lock my car every night. Every day, like no matter where I am, that bitch is locked. They caught me slipping, and it won't happen again, motherfuckers. No. Mm-mm. You know, this actually maybe a story for another day, but I actually came home while we were being robbed. That was cool. That was like a year and a half ago. Same place. I don't think I need to be describing what I'm doing right now. I think we know. Or if you're new here, maybe I do. So I'm just taking some of this. It's Gel, the brand, and it's their Gugumi clays. It kind of came to me the other day that it could be called Gugumi or just gummy. It's like G-G-U-M-I. I'm calling it Gugumi. Gummy would make more sense. Gugumi, gummy, I don't know, but that's what it is. So I'm using that. These ones actually glow in the dark. I need to like check that out sometime. I'm never here when it's like dark. But so basically we're just molding the letters L-E-O. It was so easy, you guys. You just take a blob, roll it up, make your little L, make your little E, make your little O, pat. You take your little brush that we are always using, and you dip it in your alcohol, dab it off on the paper towel, and then pat, 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 smooth that shit out. That's how you get smooth charms. That brush and alcohol, but not dripping wet, remember? We dab off on the paper towel, and then we dab, dab, dab all over the little charm, and that's how we get it smooth. And then I stuck a little bow on them because you know me, I love bows. I honestly, like, my plan was to do like a darker grungy set for this one, but I was just not in the mood. It was just, I wanted summer, you know? So I like it. It turned out. Anyways, I came home and these motherfuckers were in my house. I actually pulled in the driveway. Like I said, I have a Dodge Charger. My car is loud. It's got a bunch of stuff done to it. Like, it's a beefy mama, okay? So I pulled in the driveway, and then I'm like, shit, I meant to mail my packages. So I had to like kept going. I didn't even stop. I just went through the driveway, ran up the road, like 30 seconds, boop, packages, came back, parked, and I realized our front door has like a whole window on it and a curtain, and the curtain was like moved to the side, and I'm like, that's weird. I notice everything. Like, I am very particular in how everything is. My house, my studio, my car, like, and so I notice if like one little thing is like, you're not getting by me, you know? So the curtain was over, and I'm like, that's weird. Like, I don't think my cats could like pull the curtain all the way over. Strange, but so I opened the door, and then I shut the door, and the door just like slammed shut. You know when you have like a back door window open and it kind of like suctions it shut? I was like, what the fuck? It was like really windy, so I'm like, maybe the back door blew open? I don't know. Shut it again just to test it again, happened again. So I'm like, this is really strange. So then I walk back in the bedroom, and I see all the stuff that was like under our bed is like pulled out, our closet, like my closet, shit's just all over, and I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? Then I look up, and the window is wide open. The bathroom window is broken. They had came in through the bathroom. Then I realized I can't find my cats, which sent me into like a John Wick moment. I can't really say anything else from here because I'm legally not allowed to own certain things. I'm a felon, okay? So I may have grabbed a certain something and ran outside, and then I looked for my cats immediately, and I was hysterical, like I was ready to pew pew, you know? So finally, I'm like calling my husband, they're racing home, and I find my babies. My poor Elmer's is like shoved under the desk, and my poor Rose is the one that I could not find. She was so scared. Her little fluff ball of a body, she had herself, the Dyson like vacuum is like up against the wall in the charger. She had herself like propped up off the floor in between that and the wall, terrified. She still has PTSD. If my husband's like out back making noise, she comes and hides by me because she thinks somebody's like coming in through the window. Horrible. They stole my safe, which really dumb for me. I had a little safe under my bed with a certain something in it that I can't talk about, and money and like things like that. They took a bunch of money from under the bed. Also, we knew who it was. We found out who it was. They won't be doing it again. And that's official. And that was right, we had cameras and they were in the box in the house. Dumb. Not anymore. Now we have cameras inside, outside, all around. Anyways, I just had to tell that little story since that happened this morning. And I go to walk back out to the living room and I see there's a sock standing straight up, like a foot tall. I know this is so weird. A sock standing straight up by the front door. And I'm like, what the fuck is that? It's a crowbar. So little old me just comes walking in the house, and at some point, right before I got there, there was somebody standing there with a crowbar. That's why the window was open, or the curtain. They were keeping watch, and then they saw me, and I know that I literally caught them in the act. They had to jump out the window and run. There was a huge box of money that they left, like a big Tupperware thing of money that they left at the end of the bed. They just had to dip. Anyways, what do we think? I think they turned out so cute. I like these better than the ones I did yesterday. I think mainly because the length and everything. I just like the look of long nails. You know, what do you think? Which birthday set is your fave? 1 or 2? I love these. I love them so much. If you're a Leo, leave a lion in the comments. If you're not a Leo, leave your sign. You know, I think they have everybody's little sign in there. Leave yours. Let's see what everybody is. But I want to know who else is Leos, because I personally think we're the best. You know, just saying. We're fun, but all you guys are fun. I love you all. Love all you guys. Well, my birthday is almost over. I'm going to go home and eat now and hang out with my husband. I love these. I really do. I think they turned out cute. I'll tell you guys more about the ones that didn't work out later, but I hope you guys have the best rest of your week ever. I hope it's the best week ever for you guys, and I will see you guys on Friday. I don't know what video I'm going to do yet, but we'll figure it out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I post. I love you guys, and I'll see you Friday.